What are we doing this week, babe?
We're doing the Gibb.
Good morning, Steve and Amy Beck, OutBeck Adventures. Welcome to another episode. What are we doing this week, babe?
We're doing the Gibb.
So we just stayed here at a what's it called?
It's just
Dilbury.
no. Isn't it just the Cockburn?
Cockburn. That's right, the Cockburn or Coburn. Let us know in the comments. Is it Cockburn or Coburn?
And the Cockburn Ranges.
Rest area.
Rest area. You can can camp here for 24 hours. It's got a toilet, it's got bins.
Yep.
And it's just before you start the Gibb. So.
And it has the iconic baobab trees.
It does, yeah.
Which
really cool.
are iconic to this specific area of Western Australia.
Yeah.
And only two other places in the world, Africa and Madagascar. It's kind of weird. Why are they here when they were there? There's lots of theories, like they might be connected to when they were. It was a giant supercontinent, or maybe the seed pods floated from Africa to Australia 60, 70,000 years ago. Who knows? But it's pretty special, and yeah, here they are. Anyway,
Yeah.
we're gonna get hit up on the Gibb now.
Yeah, we fueled up both food and us and the truck yesterday in Kununurra.
Yep.
And today we do it.
Unfortunately, we tried to do the Ivanhoe crossing, which is iconic for the Kununurra area, but it's closed at the moment, so we just have to do it.
So much rain. But yeah, we're going to stay at the Pentecost River free camp tonight. So we actually, and tomorrow night, so we actually don't hit any dirt until like Wednesday.
That's right. Keep our tyres aired up
whatever
for the
day
moment.
it is. Yeah, so we don't have to air our tyres down for another couple of days just yet. So
Yeah.
anyway,
Yep.
here we go.
See you go. Time for a bit of a cook up again. Kids are getting hungry. Amy's getting hungry. I could eat. So I'm going to do a chicken and chorizo paella tonight for dinner.
Nice. What we've done so far. Well, this is what I haven't done anything. Stephen's done so far. It looks like he's chopped up some capsicum, some onion, some garlic. I'm going to assume that's butter and not cheese.
That's butter.
We've got our rice, chicken stock, some oil, and
Chicken and chorizo are in there.
chopped up chicken and chorizo. Yum.
Yep. So, yeah, I'll get into it. First thing I'm going to do is let that pot heat up now that I've put it on the stove. On the stove. On the fire.
Well, it's the camp stove.
The camp stove, yeah.
And look at this.
Couldn't ask for a better kitchen, could you? You could get a better view, maybe a better kitchen, but not much of a better view.
Yeah. Cooking dinner on the Pentecost River, on the Gibb River Road. Oh, mate. Loving it. How's the serenity?
So much serenity.
Pretty good. Pretty good. just roughly diced up. There we go. Just roughly diced up, chopped up into bite-sized chunks. Gonna brown it off, and then once it's browned off, or close to, onion, capsicum go in. Now, you don't add the garlic at the same time as the onion and the capsicum because garlic will burn before the onion cooks, so just add that a little later.
Oh, okay. Looks good already.
There you go. Rice. So I've used 3 chicken breasts and 2 chorizo sausages. I'm gonna do 3 cups of rice, and I'll do 4 cups of water, and then chicken stock to
Make it up.
For that amount of liquid.
Oh, so you just put the rice in that pot?
Yeah, straight in, because I'll fry the rice off a little bit.
Oh.
So I'll chuck the rice in.
Mm-hmm.
3. Will be leftovers. Garlic going in the same time as the rice.
How much garlic is it?
That was 4 or 5 small cloves.
Mm-hmm. And why do you not cook the rice on, like, in a pot of water and then add it in later?
Well, because you get all the flavour in the whole dish.
Okay.
It's not like I'm doing boiled rice and adding, like, it's a dish with boiled rice. The rice is in this dish. So you cook it with this.
Okay.
And use it if you got it. Bit of white wine.
But specifically white wine in a goon bag.
Of course.
Can't do it out of a bottle. That's too classy.
4 cups of water. I'll toss in the butter now so it can all melt through. And chicken stock powder. So 4 cups, 4 teaspoons. Done. Give it a stir, make sure everything's off the walls. Everything's off the spoon. Lid on. Done. I'm going to check that in about 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
Alright, let's come off the fire.
Fire. All good.
Yum.
Chicken and chorizo paella. It's good. I'm looking forward to it.
Alright boys, dinner's on. How is it? Yeah.
That's good.
That's good. That's good.
Hot.
Good, but hot. Alright, as we bask under our yellow bug light and eat our dinner, we are going to sign off for the night, and we'll see you in the morning as we head towards Emma Gorge and Del Questro. Good morning. We are at Emma Gorge today. So we've come into Emma Gorge, and you can buy the day pass permit at the gorge.
$60 is a bit rich, but you know, when
But
in Rome,
I'd rather pay that than $175 a night for unpowered.
crikey.
Anyway.
I think I've got a better spot where we are anyway.
Yeah, we're on the Pentecost River, which is awesome. A lot of people do that, just free camp along the Pentecost River and then day trip back to the gorges. So we've got the day pass, which means we've got to smash everything out today. Unfortunately,
Emma, and then we're going to go do a Questro, but
unfortunately Zebedee Springs is closed, just rock falls and late wet season. And yeah, so we're just going to do the 2, Emma, have some lunch, and then we'll go to
El
El
Questro.
Questro after lunch.
Yeah.
So this is Emma.
Let's go.
God, stopping now.
What does it say, Oscar?
Freshwater crocodiles
Inhabit
swimming hole at
the gorges.
let's go.
Yeah, it's probably slippery on the mud.
Stuck in the mud.
Oh no, I'm stuck.
Oh, I need to go under through your legs to get you unstuck.
This is a cool one. A bit of a clamber over the rocks.
You can go through the mud, but probably better to go through here.
It's an alternative swimming area to the main Emma Gorge pool. The next 200 metres of the trail is steep in some sections and can be difficult to negotiate. Notice the varied tones of lichen, is it lichen?
Yep.
On both of the rocks and trees.
What do I like?
Lichen is like, see those white spots on that big rock up the back ribs?
Yeah.
That's lichen. It's like a moss.
I've heard about that.
It's
on
lichen, a moss.
sharks and animals.
Lichen, a moss.
You can get on.
Oh
and
wow!
there's 2 types.
I don't
There's
even
a
know
black
where
one
we go
and a
here.
white one.
To the left, I think.
I think it must be up that way. That looks.
It says the next 200 is pretty good.
Yeah. Wow.
I think it's somebody look at the water droplets. Look behind you and then look at the water droplets.
I know, it's so cool, isn't it?
Feels like
Ribs?
it's raining.
Yeah.
And we're on the top.
It's so warm. I think it's here that's supposed to be warm, Elijah.
No, it's over there.
Is it?
Around a bit.
I'll go around there. As,
Spin around a little bit.
yeah, but this is rocked off as well to make this warm. 'Cause look at the boys in there. They're in the. Hey?
I just put
It
one
feels like a
foot
shower.
in there,
Yeah.
and 1 foot swung over here.
And it
it's
made you
already-
pee
Oh,
'cause-
it's so much warmer.
And it made you pee because you had 1 foot warm, 1 foot cold.
It feels like a shower.
Yeah.
Instead of
Oh yeah, I see it.
oh damn, wow. Jesus.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's like an actual bar. It goes even into this little cave bit. Oh, come in.
I'm coming. Yeah.
There's even this little cave bit.
Oh wow. Oh, that is so warm.
Oh, so nice.
Just having a bath.
Oh, this is so nice.
It's so cool.
It's crazy how people find this.
Yeah.
I thought I wasn't going to touch the ground. It's like they boss.
It's so good, isn't it?
And then we keep leaking. There's a mini waterfall.
Quick snack before we head back to the car to have lunch.
Yay.
But those pools, how were the pools, boys?
Oh my god, they
Good
were
fun.
friggin' amazing.
Good. I love them. Hey guys.
So the boys found a hot spring coming out of the right hand wall, and someone's made some pools with adjusted the pools a little bit to try and make them a bit deeper. They're so warm, like 30 degrees warm water. It's so good. So beautiful here. Check out this tree.
Almost like a bar. Really barbecue. Yeah, the barbecue flavor gets in.
Alright.
Can I have a bite?
Look out for other people's stuff.
You gotta have a bite of this.
No, everybody that.
Oh, is that gonna be bad?
Engage. 4-wheel drive.
Do you want to lock the hubs then?
Should we lock the hubs?
Well, this doesn't do anything without the hubs locked, does it?
Alright, we'll lock the hubs then.
Okay.
It might be deep, so. Let's give it all out. Stay with like the ripples.
Sick.
Why? Any ripples,
Just
stay with them.
Constant speed.
Why ripples?
Yeah?
That's it, constant speed.
First or second? Just
Second.
Is it gonna be? It's gonna be a rocky bottom, isn't it?
Yes. You shouldn't get bogged. Like, the step. Don't look at the camera, just concentrate on driving.
It's so bumpy. I'm looking at it and it's halfway there.
Yeah.
It's like
We got there. Afternoon. Well,
We survived, Emma.
yeah, well, just barely. So yesterday I
Ew.
What is around my
Oh,
head?
yuck, babe.
yesterday I decided to wear my boots while I went and got firewood
there's a bush
and
chasing me.
got a bit of a blister. It's popped. And so the band-aid came off during that walk. Walking wounded, but on me soldier. We got through it. So now we're at Questro Gorge. So we're just about to start that. We just had a bit of lunch. And we're... Amy's on my godding. What's going on, Amy?
Like something,
It's a wasp.
yeah.
It was around me. Hurry up and run through. That's why I don't want to. Yeah, just hurry up.
You'll be fine, just keep walking. You're trying to get a photo.
Yeah, of the map.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Yeah, no, don't worry about getting to the map.
It's following you.
Dad, can you hurry up? I don't want to. It was around me before, so I don't
It's
want
coming back at you. Don't worry about it.
Dad, hurry up.
Did you get a photo?
Yeah.
Oh, the moments you capture. Alright, so yeah, we're going to do the Questro Gorge. It's 2 o'clock. Smash it out. Maybe get a swim at the end of it if we're lucky. Maybe we found a really nice warm pool there at Emma Gorge. So that was really nice. Wonder if we'll find something similar at Questro. Anyway, let's go for that walk.
We've crossed the river in the truck. Crossed the river in our crocs.
What are you doing, Rubes?
Cleaning my feet.
It's a little bit.
Purposely walking through the water now.
It's a little bit muddy on some of the tracks in, being it's just after the wet season. So, yeah, Might as well wash them off when we get the chance.
It's a bit darker. You guys keep on going. Okay, Oscar's washing his feet.
Marker there? Oh, that's good. We know where we're going in the right direction. Guess what? I'm going in.
Oh, can I do it?
There's no way around it. You have to go in.
You have to go in anyway.
Can I tell the
This
guys
is
something?
sick. Yeah, tell them.
This is not AI. Just believe it. Yeah, just believe. Because
This is not AI.
yes, we're not lying. We love to not put AI in it. I don't know where to.
Number 6. Because it says there's a rest and caution point. A pool to the left offers a place to cool down and rest. The trail hugs an elevated steep slope. Watch your step.
Yeah.
Is this it? Yeah. Give me a bit of
Yeah.
Look at that fucking scene. Look at this.
Sucks that you can't bring a drone in here.
Oh my gosh. Look at that. The ferns there. The rock on that side. It's amazing.
I beat a very hard level to beat. Beat El Questro Gorge without getting wet on level 10 and 9. That's a super hard achievement.
Yeah. What an awesome day. A day that you guys are going to remember for the rest of your lives.
Yeah. Yep. And this is going to be.
Remember that day we went to El Questro Gorge and ate chips at the pool and jumped off the rock
Yeah, in 2026.
in 2026?
When it was near my birthday and the lights
Awesome day.
had exploded.
What a fantastic place. Definitely
Hang on,
recommend.
I'm almost there.
Take your time, balancing.
I made it! Woohoo! My first time ever doing it.
I think he says that about everything. That's my first time ever doing that. It's like, no, you've definitely done that before.
Yeah.
I mean, that was probably his first time, but
No, like walking across the.
he goes, that was my first, the other day when we were in, where were we? Catherine. And he goes, that was my first time ever crossing the road. And I was like, what?
What? Never crossed the road before? I'm pretty sure we did it, yeah, all the time.
All right.
What happened, Ask?
Cut my leg.
I had a bit of a stack when we were going on the walkways. What happened? Too busy talking to me and weren't watching.
Yeah, and then I fell through a gap, and it had like rough surfaces,
Yeah,
and it was like grip tape.
yeah, like non-slip,
Good
so you slipped. Should we sue them? Get money?
Just so then you don't have to.
I'm joking. Did you have a good time anyway?
Yeah. We had a great time, didn't we? We had
I
heaps of
only
fun.
loved the swimming.
Yeah, the swimming is awesome, wasn't it? Alright,
And
we've made it back. Truck's there. Yay.
A few casualties.
Few casualties, everyone's had a slip.
Everybody's
Everyone's
nearly
tired, I
eaten
think. But we made it back. Get back to camp and
Have some dinner.
have some ice cream.
Yeah, and a campfire.
Have a campfire. So that's it for us at Pentecost River. Bay van packed up, and we are going to hit the road to Han River today. Bit of a hike, a bit longer drive than we'd normally do, but we've thought better than staying on a gravel pit. But we also read about the Gibb River camp, that there was apparently a croc.
Yeah, there's a croc in there and it got a cow, and the cow has been there for a few days and is starting to stink, so maybe we'll pass on that spot.
Yeah. Pass. We'll go to the nicer one where the kids might be able to swim. Anyway,
Still cautiously, but
catch you over there.